Um, there's current talk today. There's a lot of talk today about programming the whole of reality, a whole universe. There's from ideas of the simulation theory, the simulation hypothesis, to us being able to simulate our own universe. And then there's another interesting thing that's going on about going through wormholes, EPR. I don't know what the current trend of it is now, but from what I know about it, it's entanglement in wormholes, being able to travel through wormholes, basically. Um, but what I consider a portal is a patch of space that's not warped or bent. A fabric of reality that's not warped or bent, but it's programmed, and it's different from programming a whole entire universe because you're creating a place where there's an inner reality and an outer universe, and they have to have some sort of symbiotic homeostasis between each other. And if that means that they have to have dual wave functions that complement each other, you can think of an inner shell and an outer reality, and actually two shells. And if you think about my portal ideas, actually all it is a cloaking interface and a holodeck interface. And you gotta have one reality while you have the intersection of at least a visual reality. But with the wave function of it, if you were to program the whole universe instead of just visually transmit it through, you wouldn't warp space. You would transmit light and material straight through. So it wouldn't be a bending, it would just be as if it was very true invisibility and not just a wormhole, which would really show what's on the other side of it for you, as a portal or as a wormhole. But um, when you, if you program the entire universe, you don't have to worry about what to do with that. You couldn't fit one universe inside of another universe to, but you could, but it's just a waste, you know. But if you program just a patch of reality, um, then you gotta consider the inner reality's wave function and the outer reality's wave function, and how they might create some sort of homeostasis between them. A clockwork, a hidden clockwork that um, makes this reality correspond to this outer reality, and they work to stabilize each other. I guess you could call it some sort of hydrostatic stability, like what would be in a star whenever gases push out and the force of gravity pushes in, some sort of hydrostatic um, um, stabilization or whatever of the membrane that makes up a portal. Well, I think that's all I wanted to say right now. Well, thanks a lot. Bye.